Hi students, come to the session 2, 8th class. In last class, we discussed about index or introduction of the 8th class biology. As I told, up to 7th class we study what is science. But when you come to the 8th class, the science is going to divide into two parts: biological science and physical science. Biology and physical science. This biology is going to again divide into two parts. It is plants. It talks about plants and animals. This physics is going to again divide into two parts. One is physical science is going to divide two parts: physics and chemistry. So it's a small introduction. So basic knowledge of science. So science is the most important in our life, because when we see the present situation, we have computers in our homes. It comes from the science. And we have phones, internets, satellites, we have lights. So there are so many things is there to discuss about the science. Because the science is the most important in our life. In primitive eras, in olden days, if they go from one village to another village, they go by the walk, or they used to bullock carts. But nowadays we are using car, buses, trains, flights. Within 1 hour we can go 1 or 2 hours from one place to 1,000 kilometers. Satellites we are using. In olden days there were black and TV was there. Black and TV. In olden days, the computer size is actually the size of the room. It's very, very big computer was there. So the room size computer. But when the science started researching, investigations, doing experiments, they started developing, the size of the computer started decreasing. In olden days, the size of the TV also very big, very fat, black and white TV. So nowadays we are seeing color TV, not color TV, LED, after that LED, LCD, LED. LCD TVs, now HD TVs, curved TVs. There are so many different types of TVs also we are going to see. Computer size also has been decreased. This room size computers started decreasing. Now the computer size is very thin monitor. We can keep it on our tables. Laptop has been came. Nowadays roll tab. Tab is there. So in olden days landline was there, but now we have color phones, smartphone. So when smartphone came, radio has gone. When smartphone came, calculator has gone. When smartphone came, watches, nobody is wearing watches. When smartphone came, even people are not using torchlight also. Torchlight also is there in the smartphone. Internet is there. Everything is available in the smartphone. So now we are living in a very developed science countries. it is very, very important for us to discuss about this science. This science is, it's derived from the Latin word. Science is derived from the Latin word, which means scientia. Scientia, which means knowledge. Knowledge. Science, the science word is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Science is a knowledge. Science is a searching of truths in the natures. Science is a way of exploring the world. Science begins with the questioning, asking questions. Science itself starts with the questioning. Why? What happens? When happens? Like Yenduku, Yebiti, Yela. Such type of questions will begin in the science. Why? For examples, when the green leaf converted into yellow color, they fall from the tree. Why? What is the reason? When ants see the sugar in the tin, nobody will inform the ants, but they will go and find out the sugar in the tin easily. Why? We cannot see the stars in the daylight. What is the reason? Why? Why farmers are afraid in unseasonals? Why? What is the reason? There are so many questions we have in our mind. Why? So this all starts with the science. So what is science? What is science? What is science? Why science? Why science? Science and changes. Science and changes. These are general topic. What is science? We already discussed. Science is derived from the Latin word which means knowledge. Scientia, which means knowledge. Science is the truth of searching natures. Science is exploring. Science is doing an experiment. Science is an experiment. Science is asking questions based on the experimentations. Why we need science? For the personal perspective and the society perspective, we need science. What changes we can see in the sciences? What is science and what is science? There are so many different types of sciences we can see. Already saw in the first introduction class also. So there are geologist is there. Geologist. What is their work? The function of the geologist. Ecologist. Astrophysicist. Chemist. Physicist. Biologist. Genetist. If you write like this word will not enough. Geologist, climatologist, cardiologist, dentist, dermatologist. There are so many scientists is there. Geologist, they will deal with the earth. Geo is nothing but earth. Geologist, they find out the fossils in the earth. Ecologist, find out in the living organisms, life of the organisms on the earth. Astrophysicist, taking the pictures of the stars. Taking the pictures of the stars. Climatologist, they will observe the climate, weathers. Physicist, doing experiments like fans, like some movements, phenomena, all these things comes under the physicist. Biologist, talking about the tissues, how the diseases are spreading or transforming from one person to the another person's. Genetist, how the characters transforming from parents to the offsprings. We are look like our parents, we look like our forefathers, like our grandmothers, grandfathers. Why? How we got that characters? This leads with the genetist. Genetist. Chemist, it talks about the reactions between the one chemical to the another chemicals. Because of this chemistry, nowadays we are getting all different types of medicines, tablets. So this climatologist will observe how the earthquakes will come, when earthquakes will come, when tsunamis will come, when rains will come. They will give the information about this earth. These are the very important. Geologist, ecologist, astrophysicist, chemist, physicist, biologist, genetist, climatologist. There are so many ologists is there. In the biologist again, cardiologist talks about heart, dentist talks about teeth. So brain doctor is there like MBBS, MD is there, dermatologist, ophthalmologist, different types of like ENT doctor is there. So all this comes under the science. Because of science, the world economy is increasing. Because of science, the people life is we are going very fastly. We are developing very fastly. Our life is becoming very easy. Nowadays we are using rice cookers. So if you put rice and water, it will cook the rice very fastly. So computers, phones, ACs, cars, so flights. Nowadays in China and Japan, so you are going to see the bullet trains. Within 1 hour, it will reach 500 kilometers. Very fast. So see how the technology is increasing day by day. Day by day. So because of this science, we are getting hybrid food materials. So the population is increasing very fast, but the land is not increasing. Our India population is now 130 crores people. In 2001, I think only 100 crores was there, but the population is increasing very fastly, very rapidly. To provide this food materials to all this population, we need compulsory science and technology. That's why nowadays we are getting hybrid food materials, hybrid grains, hybrid fruits. Nowadays we are getting seedless fruits. They are called as parthenogenesis. Some seed fruits, they do not have seeds also. These seeds are disturbing while we are eating. That's why scientists started doing researching on these fruits. How can we get seedless fruits? they find it. So these are the different type of what is science, why science is need, changes in science. Some great scientist Karl Popper. Karl Popper said, science is, Karl Popper's statement is, science is a history of corrected mistake. Science is a history of corrected mistakes. Why it is called as corrected mistakes? In primitive era, in olden days, where the computer size is very in the room size, but it started decreasing. In next year, they find out that errors and they started recollecting, redesigning the computer. Size has increased, decreased. Now the computer size we can put on our table. We can hold a laptop in our hands. We got smartphone in our hands. In our hands we have world. We can see everything, anything in the internet. We can search anything in the internet. In our hands we have the world map, the world history, what happenings in the world. We can see in our smartphone. That's why he said, science is a corrected mistakes. We can rectify our mistakes. So this is the what is science and changes. So today also I am going to give the scientific methods. Scientific methods. Just I will start here in scientific methods. After saying the scientific methods, there are 5 scientific methods is there. While scientists doing an experiment, they will follow this scientific methods. First one is observe and ask questions. Observe and ask questions. The scientific methods begins with the questioning, asking questions. Why? Second one is form a hypothesis. Hypothesis. Third one, plan and experiment. Plan and experiment. Fourth one is conducting the experiment. Conducting an experiment. The last one is draw conclusion. Draw conclusions. How scientists work? The scientific methods. How they will follow? What they will follow while they are doing an experimentations? While they are doing researching, they will follow 5 steps. So very simple steps. Observe. Observing is the very important. Observe. Why this ant is going? Asking questions. Observe, then asking questions. When we observe the tree leaves are in green in color. It's observing. Observe carefully. After few days, the leaf will be converted into yellow color. When it will convert into yellow color, the chlorophyll will be disappeared. If the chlorophyll is there in the leaf, photosynthesis will take place. If photosynthesis takes place, they prepare their own carbon dioxide, they release oxygen into the atmosphere. When it will start turning into yellow color, the chlorophyll is disappear from the leaf. When the chlorophyll is disappear, it will convert it into yellow color. When the leaf converted into yellow color, it will fall from the tree. It will fall from the tree. What is the reason? First type of thing, observing and asking questions. Form a hypothesis. Hypothesis is nothing but it's a tested answer. It's a tested answer. If it is a question is there, the answer should be tested. For example, it's a blackboard. Whether it is a chalk piece or not, how can we test it? Because it is writing on the board. Then we consider it is a chalk piece. It's a tested answer. Possible answer and tested answer. Form a hypothesis. And the third one is planning. Planning is the important. And doing the experiment. Conducting the experiment. The last one is drawing. Draw conclusion. These are the 5 methods, scientific methods. So today we discussed about what is science, why science, changes in science. Okay. Today homework, you should learn this all scientific 5 methods. Simple homework I have given today. Just learn scientific methods and write without seeing on your rough papers and show me. And just to learn what is the geologist, just write that word. No need to explain. Geologist, ecologist, physicist, chemist, biologist, geneticist. What is the word I have written on the board? Just to write it. Okay. Thank you.